In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot sequences so you can streamline your sales processes effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to maximize its features, this guide is for you. We'll begin with logging into your HubSpot account. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. It's straightforward. Simply visit the HubSpot website and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, a hub packed with features designed to enhance your sales and marketing strategies. Next, direct your attention to the top menu. Hover over Sales, and from the drop-down menu, select Sequences. This section is where all the magic happens. HubSpot sequences allow you to automate a series of emails or tasks, ensuring no potential customer slips through the cracks. Once you're in the Sequences section, spot the Create Sequence button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to decide whether to start from scratch or leverage one of the many pre-made templates HubSpot offers. Templates can be a big time saver, especially when you're learning, so don't shy away from using them if you're not beginning from zero. After settling on a fresh sequence or a template, it's time to give your sequence a name. This is crucial for staying organized, especially as you create more sequences down the line. When your sequence has a title, click Create Sequence, and you'll be ushered into the Sequence Editor, a space where you can truly customize the workflow to fit your strategic needs. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking on this allows you to add a step to your sequence. Your options include adding an email, task, or delay. Choosing the email step lets you either whip up content from scratch or select an existing template that you can tweak to better suit your communication goals. Remember to set the delay for each email, which determines when the email is sent after the previous step is completed. For task steps, you have the flexibility to set reminders for you or even your colleagues. This could be as simple as making a follow-up call or sending a personalized email outside the automated sequence. Task steps are essential for adding a personal touch, ensuring your outreach feels human rather than merely systematic. Delay steps are your pacing tool, allowing you to set intervals between each step of your sequence. These can be instrumental in ensuring your emails or tasks don't overwhelm your prospects, giving them the right amount of space to engage at a comfortable pace. Finally, make sure to review and customize your sequence extensively. Adjust each step to align with your overarching strategy, ensuring that every interaction with your potential customers is meaningful and progressive towards achieving your sales goals. Once satisfied, you're all set to begin using HubSpot sequences efficiently, ensuring a seamless experience in connecting with your leads. Thanks for watching and happy sequencing.